This will be a very quick and hopefully to the point review of the American Airlines Airbus 321 first class experience. Here goes. I recently took a 1 a.m. red-eye flight from Phoenix to Charlotte on this plane. Since I was in the first class cabin, I was able to visit the Admirals Club prior to the flight. The Admirals Club at Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport is quite small, but included a mini buffet, cocktail bar, office area, and a few alcoves with comfy seating. Although it was small, I did not have a problem finding a seat. However, it was late at night, so I'm not sure how crowded it would be during the day. I sat comfortably until I left at midnight to catch my 1 a.m. flight. The boarding process was fairly smooth, and I settled into my seat 4F quickly. The seat had ample width, a headrest that slid up and down and folded inward. The tray table was nestled in one of the arms. You had to push a button to release it, and then it pulled up and out easily. You could keep it folded in half or open it wide. Between the seats is a center console, which has a small storage area and an international outlet for you to plug in electronics. The seat back in front of you did not have a television monitor, but it had a device to clamp onto your own personal phone or tablet, so you could stream content from their system. American provides free Wi-Fi in order to do so. There's also a little pocket that holds information, including a folder with the current list of entertainment options that are available. There was a generous pocket in front of me to stash some belongings, and plenty of space to store my personal items under the seat. The overhead bin space was the type that allows bags to go in sideways, so it had more than ample space for carry-on bags. As we entered the plane, the flight attendant asked us if we wanted anything to drink and promptly served it while the plane was still boarding. The cabin lights were turned off during takeoff and never came back on, so that people trying to sleep had darkness. Other than a basket of snacks that were offered shortly after takeoff, there was no food service. There was also no pillow or blanket provided, so I was glad I had thrown in a scarf at the last minute because the cabin was quite chilly. The plane took off slightly late, but arrived on time. It was a pretty effortless flight. I had hoped to sleep on the 3.5-hour flight, but didn't manage to get comfortable. I did see other passengers nodding off, though. So that's my very quick overview. Nothing fancy or out of the ordinary on this flight, but a wider, more comfortable seat and friendly service. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comments section and check out the Senior Solo Travel website and Travel Facebook forum where you can interact with other travelers. I have left links in the description below. And if you'd like to follow my senior and solo travel journeys, please like and subscribe. Cheers!